This is the main entrance. We have big space. Here can be a kitchen and the pastry office. This is one bathroom, but you can make 2 or 4. It's full of light. We can throw down this wood. We can have the light all day long. And this is the second entrance that you need it for safety. We have 2 air condition. Όχι, έλα, σε ευχαριστώ.